లోక్సభ సమావేశాలు జరుగుతున్నాయి. ఇప్పుడు లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
Especially due to the availability of sand and other materials in the state, sir. But right now, we are ensuring that it is going to be completed on time. I've taken it up as a top priority, and the new deadline that we have fixed is June 2025, sir, for this project.
सप्लीमेंट्री पूछना है?
Yes, sir.
जी, शॉर्ट में.
Sir, at the outset, let me also thank Honorable Minister as soon as he took the charge. He introduced 2 flights, Vijayawada to Mumbai. Earlier, there was no flight to Mumbai. This was a long pending demand. Sir,
And to Delhi. Vijayawada, Delhi.
sir, and we are requesting, we need a flights from Vijayawada to Calcutta, Vijayawada to Varanasi, and additional flight to Delhi to Visakhapatnam and Tirupati also. And there is a demand for the flights to Sri Lanka, Thailand and Singapore also.
Okay.
So I would like to know from the minister whether these sectors are also in the consideration at the
Sir,
ministry level.
this will open up a whole
ये
new...
माननीय मंत्री जी,
Sir,
ये बहुत अच्छा संकेत है इस देश के लिए कि सभी देश की जनता का और जनता के माध्यम से माननीय सदस्यों की आकांक्षा जगने लगी है कि मेरे यहाँ भी एयरपोर्ट बन जाएगा. ये अच्छे संकेत है देश के लिए.
sir, very much, sir. And like I've just mentioned, the infrastructure around airports has increased so much in the last 10 years. A huge push has been given for Civil Aviation Ministry. And right now, the way members are raising up their demands and asking for new airports or connectivity, it was almost, if you go back 10 years or 20 years back, it used to be the demand with railways, sir. तब railways से पूछते थे कि train चाहिए या फिर stop चाहिए. अब वो हालत airways में आ गया है, sir. तो airways is the new railways of the country, and I'm very proud about it. And especially regarding the connectivity, नहीं उसी के बारे में बोल रहा हूँ.
आप उनका जवाब मत दो.
दादा उसी के बारे में बोल रहा हूँ. Sir, but the honorable member has mentioned about the connectivity, but let me make it clear from the ministry, sir, we don't have any direct jurisdiction where we interfere with the connectivity of the airlines. It is entirely a demand-driven process, market-driven process, and the airlines decide which connectivity. We offer the infrastructure. अगर airlines बोलता है कि यहाँ से ये मैं वहाँ तक चलाना चाहता हूँ, तो we ensure that there is airport connectivity on both the places. But what we do, sir, because there has been a big demand from all the members कि हमें यहाँ से ये connectivity चाहिए, we are just forwarding the request to the airlines and asking them to favorably consider according to the demand of that airport, sir.
कल्याण बनर्जी जी, सुदीप बंदोपाध्याय जी. कल्याण जी, आपका सुदीप दादा ने छीन लिया.
नहीं, सुदीप दादा, he is my leader. He is my leader. Of course, he is my leader. His preference is past. He is my leader.
I am happy to see this young minister, whose father was one of my best friends
नहीं,
in 12th and
माननीय मंत्री जी
13th
सक्रिय
Lok
हैं
Sabha.
बहुत ज्यादा.
His father, Yarana Naidu, was my very dear friend.